So what's going on, everybody? We got another day of motocross riding ahead of us. Woo! That's a cool line. I like that line you did. It's so flowy, it's so fun. Dang, bro, he's on the gas. This is cool. I haven't rode with Taylor in a long time, but I haven't rode with Patrick and Taylor in like a year, man. It's been a long time. You got the 150 keeping up with the 450s, man? Yay! Yeah, buddy. Woo! All right, we're good. Oh shit, there's a kicker. That was scary. See, some of the jumps still have like a little bit of chop in the face, and it just kicks my front end way up in the air. On my back end, I mean. I feel like the KTM squad here. This is sweet. I don't know how these kids are still shredding, man. They're wearing me out. Send it. Woo! Yo, what's up, man? I like your gear.
Thank you. Yeah. It was kind of funny that I wore it today.
Yeah. You ruined the whole KTM thing we got going on here.
Yeah. Somebody had to f it up.
Holy shit! Holy crap! Patrick sent the crap out of that jump. He's gonna send the crap out of this. I can just feel it. He sent it a little bit. He got a little sketchy on that landing. I can just tell that Patrick is riding with so much confidence now. He just rides so much faster, so much more aggressive. He sends all the jumps so much farther. Alright, before I start pushing myself too hard, I'm gonna chill out. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. Thank you so much for watching. Oh shit! Yo, you alright? Yeah, this turn is a little dry and slick right here. Alright, well that outro was going to be the end of the video, but I'll probably put that crash earlier in the video, so that's not the outro anymore. I almost just died. I don't know what I did with my shift, but got Sam here with us on his KX85, and he hasn't been here in years. His first time riding in a couple months, so he's getting back into the swing of things, doing some jumps. I want you to clear this, man. You got it. This one's got a nice smooth run up. Woo! Pretty good, pretty smooth. Like I said it last time, but he can go just a little bit farther on that too if he wants to get a little bit more on the gas. I think this is his favorite jump. Oh yeah, fully sent that. That was awesome. Cleared that one. Good job, Sam. He's doing great. I said in the beginning of the video, he hasn't been on a dirt bike in a long time. It's been like 4 months, maybe 3 months, something like that. Been a while. Nice air. Alright, so now she's on Sam's bike. She's on the KX85, but I am riding with Taylor and Taylor's girlfriend, Elise. And she's ridden his Husky FC450 before, but like I think maybe once or twice. And it was in like a flat field, so I thought it might be a little bit of a better idea for her to try Sam's KX85 the first time on a track, you know. Seems a little bit safer. Patty Cakes out here ripping. I'd say she's doing pretty well. Woo, coming in hot to these corners. Holy crap. I thought she was going over that one, man. Track's good, bike's good. Got great people here today. It's just an overall great day, man. Nice little rev limiter. I think we'll end it on that note, man. Alright. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed our day of riding, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.